Hey, this is Brett. I wanted to do another podcast. I was talking to one of my partners, and they bought, I don't know, they bought probably 20 properties from me. And he says, man, you got to get the word out. You got to talk about why you do what you do and how you do it and why it has to be that way so we can make sure that our properties produce for our clients, which they do 99.5% of the time. I want to go over a couple things with you, what we do. So, a lot of people, I was talking to an investor out of California that his son was looking for properties, and he sent me the properties, and basically they're not going to perform for various reasons. There's tenant issues, there's going to be equity, there's no going to be appreciation. There's nothing around that property that makes any sense why you would even buy it. So what I do is I find those areas, A, B areas I call them, and we just keep buying in those areas, and they just keep producing and producing and producing. One particular thing this week that the property manager that my wife does, the property manager, Avalon Realty Group, is that we looked at a property that was over in Bedford, Ohio. Basically, they say it's Oak Hill, Ohio, but it's all run by Bedford, and that first tenant was in there for 19 months, and the tenant now has been in there for 5 years. 5 years. This thing's produced $54,590 net. That's after property management, insurance, and property management, insurance. What am I missing there? Property management, insurance, taxes, property taxes. I'm looking at it here. I apologize. So yeah, that's a net. That's how much we actually deposited in their account. It isn't a gross net. It isn't a gross profit. It's a net profit. So these properties always produce. And this one we originally purchased in 2019 December for 47.5. We put about 18,000 overall over these past 6-7 years, and it's worth about $150,000 now. So now he's looking at a 19% return on it. That's a really good return. We've lifted the rents on it, so not as fast as we could because, again, when you have a good tenant, you want to keep them because you don't want to move it out. You have all the repairs and all that. So that's kind of what we do here. And the best way to make sure that my jobs are done correctly is I purchase the property, I rehab them, I lease them, and then Lori's the Avalon Realty Group takes it on from there and manages them, and she does a fantastic job. We have a 99.5% success rate. The reasons for that, because we buy houses that people want to live in, not that they have to. So just think about all the headaches that takes away, because I always hear people say, well, I don't want that late night call, on anything. And we handle everything for you in property management. You don't have to do anything. If you purchased a property from us, we only charge you $125 a month in property management. Why do we do that? We want you to make money. And 99.5% of the time we do. 0.5% is usually owner related. So, but I always have to put that in there. But again, we take care of the management, repairs and maintenance, bookkeeping. So you're going to have a portfolio. We use that. That's a really good system, and you can get on there, and you have a portfolio in there that you can get into and look at whatever's going on with your property. And again, we're not going to charge you people. Well, if you're getting the 125, you're going to charge more maintenance. No, we don't. The last property, the gentleman lived in there for about 14 months. I mean, it needs we took some of the deposit because he left some stuff there, but what the owner owes is $325 to get that thing back on the market. We have another one over in Maple Crest and Parma, $1,600. It's just a really good situation for everybody. We make sure that that's good because Lori does a leasing and tenant screening that's unparalleled. It really is, and she does a great job with that. And she keeps all the bookkeeping. We have a team of people that do that. So our vendors, for example, they give us deep discounts, and we get very good deals on stuff, which we pass on to our clients. So if you're looking for something different, I'm your guy. We do everything. That's why I do everything, because I control everything. Lowers the cost, makes you more money, and at the end of the day, you're going to end up with equity and a great house. I just found out today, 39 Eldred and Bedford, I thought the tenant was moving out. So, we're going to go ahead and just move them out and sell. But they decided that they want to stay. So guess what? I'm going to let them stay because, hey, if I can make income for it for as long as I can, and then, this particular property I want to sell after it's out. That's your choice on that. But we do that all the time. We like 3-year commitment on these, and then we sell them. So that's a really good thing. But if your question meant, you want something different, I do it all. Why do I do that? And I just explained all that. So 1,200 plus properties. I've been in the business since '85. I've been 26 years as a realtor. We know properties inside and out. So and we can get them done quick, fast, and get them on the market for you. I just had one close today over in West Cleveland. They're already drawing up the leasing paperwork to get that done. I had another one we finished. I'm going over to West Cleveland today to get the $325 one going. And it's all going to be done very quickly, very fast, and we get them put back on the market. Because the key there is they need to get on the market immediately. Property management will sometimes set on them, or they'll lower your rents to get it done faster. We don't do that. We get them done fast, but we still want the top rents, and we get them. So if you're looking for that kind of product, if you're looking for a real estate that actually works, there was a guy from he was from California. We got 2 of his houses, and he called me and he told me, hey, you guys actually do what you say you're going to do. He's working with 2 other companies in 2 other states. He says they don't. They forget about me. We don't forget about anybody. We want everything taken care of, and we keep our properties full. Our vacancy rate is ridiculously low. I mean, the only ones that are open right now, we just close. I mean, 14 days out is one. The rest of them we just put on the market, and we get them rented. So if you're looking for that kind of stuff, I'm your guy. I'm Brett. I'm Key Realty. I'm a licensed realtor. So all my stuff is full disclosure, fair housing, all that good stuff. 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Thanks. You guys have a great day.